Hi, it's me, Tori, and I'm just opening my new surprise that I worked really hard for. Opening. I wonder what it looks like. Me too. I'm just surprised. I'm just wondering what type of doll it is, and if it's a rare one or something like that. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Who is it? Who is it? Mia! Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Come out! I love her shoes. Look at her shoes. Oh my god.
I want to do
She is beautiful.
Can I do Pop and Bubba too?
Just cut the elastic off it. Look at her eyes. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh my god, oh my god.
Can I do Pop and Bubba?
Look at her. She is amazing.